Frozen grapes and strawberries are really, really delicious. You can pop them in school lunches and they're a really healthy and delicious snack. Yum! When making hamburgers, just swap white rolls for wholemeal rolls for healthier option. Basil and lemon are a great way to flavour fish and chicken. Healthy and delicious. Plus, lemon makes a good substitute for salt. Who knew? Sweet potato is not just a healthy alternative to potato, but did you know you can grate it and put it on chicken nuggets as a crumb? Pretty handy, I reckon. A zucchini, a carrot and a mushroom walked into a bar. Then they got grated up and incorporated into spaghetti bolognese, and the kids never found out. The end. I found this nifty idea in store. These recipe cards you can pick up from all of their checkouts. It's Lebanese bread pizza with a little bit of rocket added on top. Add a rocket on top of a pizza. Who knew? Fancy. You want healthy food fast? This is the section you need to come. This is my particular favourite, steamed cauliflower, sweet potato and broccoli as a rice substitute. Delicious, kids will never know. Yogurt should be in every household because it's so good for everything. You can have it on breakfast cereal, you can dip your fruit into it, you can use it as a sauce, you can add things to it and make it into a dip. It's a really, really healthy thing to have in your fridge, and it's yum. So easy, and the kids will love it. Sneak those veggies in.